So to begin, I've got the data here. This is for a homework assignment in the Lean Six Sigma Black Belt course. And what we're going to do to start off is we're going to go to a data table. This is embedded. And I'm going to double click on that table. It's going to open up a spreadsheet. And the spreadsheet is going to have the data in it selected. So I'll press Control C, get the data pasted, or copied, I'm sorry. And I'm going to paste it into the Minitab workbook. And I'm going to type the word temp into the first column. And you see we have temperature, 3 different kinds of detergents, and the numbers in this table represent cleanliness values. So this is not the format Minitab wants. So if we go into the stat ANOVA, and we'll look at a balanced ANOVA, which means we have an equal number of observations for every combination of the two variables, you'll see that Minitab wants the responses to be in one column, and we're going to put a model into the second column. So this is not the format the data's in. So let's go put it into the correct format. To begin, I'm going to create another column, and I'm going to call it, temperature. Then I'm going to look at detergent. And finally, the cleanliness values. Now let's go into Minitab, and we'll see that what I'd really like to have here are the first responses to be for detergent A, then detergent B, then detergent C. And so Minitab has a feature in the data menu which is called Stack Columns. If you go to that choice and click it, we're going to stack columns C2 through C4. Those are the detergents. And we are going to put the results into the current worksheet, and we'll put it into the cleanliness column. And the subscripts we're going to get from the column names, and we're going to put those subscripts into the detergent column because that's what we're stacking. When I click OK, Minitab will do the work, and you see we have detergent A, 15, 12, 10, and 6, which is what we had for detergent A, then detergent B, and so on. Now I also need the temperature, and I need the cold, cool, warm, and hot for each of the 4 detergent readings. And you see we have those values in the temp column, but that's not how Minitab wants it. So we're going to go into Calc. We're going to click Make Pattern Data, and we're going to enter text values, and we're going to store these in temperature. And what we want is cold, cool, warm, and hot. We want each value to show up once, and we want one set of values for each detergent. We have 3 detergents, so we'll list the sequence 3 times, and Minitab will do the analysis. So you see we have detergent A cool 15, cold 15, cool 12, warm 10, and hot 6. Now let's go back to that analysis of variance, and we're going to see that we're all set. We got the responses in the cleanliness column. The model is that we want to look at detergent, and we want to look at temperature. Since we only have one observation for each combination, we can't look at interactions. And let's just go ahead and do the simple case, accept all the defaults in Minitab, and I'm going to click OK. And Minitab does the analysis, shows you what it's analyzing, detergent and temperature. It shows the analysis of variance table. And if you look at the p-value column, you see that detergent has a p-value of 0.002. So detergent is a significant factor in cleanliness, and temperature is 0.015, and that's less than 0.05. So that also is an important factor. It shows that the model explains 92.02% of the variation in the data, and that's our analysis of variance with Minitab.